Aging, it's always been inevitable, but what if it wasn't? Imagine a world where age-related diseases are rare and people stay healthy and vital for decades longer. In this video, we'll break down 5 cutting-edge scientific breakthroughs that could change how we age. From cellular tweaks to gene editing, we'll separate the hype from the real science. Ready to see what the future of human longevity might look like? Let's dive in. First up, cellular senescence. It's a key process in aging that scientists are working hard to understand. Think of it as your body's zombie cell problem. Cells that should be gone, but are still hanging around, causing trouble. As we age, some cells stop dividing but refuse to die. They enter a state of suspended animation, becoming senescent. These senescent cells linger, releasing harmful chemicals in a process known as SASP, senescence-associated secretory phenotype. These chemicals damage healthy tissue, disrupting normal cellular function. This toxic buildup drives inflammation and is linked to diseases like arthritis and heart disease, contributing to age-related decline. Scientists are developing senolytics, a new class of drugs that target and clear out these zombie cells, aiming to eliminate their harmful effects. In animal studies, removing senescent cells improved health, showing promising results in various age-related conditions and even reversed some signs of aging, suggesting the potential for rejuvenation at a cellular level. The challenge? Targeting only the bad cells, leaving healthy ones untouched. Precision is key to avoiding unintended side effects. If successful, senolytics could extend our health span, the period of life spent in good health, keeping us healthier, not just older. It's about quality of life and not just quantity. While these treatments aren't available yet, research is moving fast, with numerous clinical trials underway. In the meantime, lifestyle choices matter. You have more control than you think. Diets rich in antioxidants, think colorful fruits and veggies, are crucial for fighting cellular damage. They help reduce cellular stress, protecting your cells from the harmful effects of free radicals. Regular exercise and stress management also lower inflammation, creating a healthier internal environment. These habits slow the buildup of senescent cells, giving your body a fighting chance against aging. It's not a magic bullet, but it helps your body resist aging from the inside out, strengthening your natural defenses. The future may bring drugs to clear out zombie cells, offering a more targeted approach. But today, healthy habits are your best defense, empowering you to take control of your cellular health. Imagine a world where periodic cell cleanups keep our tissues young and resilient, preventing age-related decline. That's the promise of senolytics, not immortality, but a longer, healthier life filled with vitality and purpose. The science is real, and the potential is huge, offering a glimpse into a future where aging is no longer inevitable. Researchers are racing to make this a reality, and the next decade could bring major breakthroughs, transforming how we approach aging. Until then, every healthy choice you make helps slow the march of time at the cellular level, contributing to a healthier, longer life. So eat well, move often, and stay curious. Your cells will thank you, and you'll reap the rewards of a vibrant, healthy life. The zombie cell apocalypse might just be the first battle we win in the war on aging, paving the way for future victories. Stay tuned, because the next frontier goes even deeper, right down to your DNA, where the secrets of aging are encoded. Now, let's zoom in on your DNA, the very blueprint of life. We're about to embark on a journey into the microscopic world to explore a fascinating aspect of our genetic code. Specifically the telomeres, the protective aglets at the ends of your chromosomes. Think of them as the plastic tips on your shoelaces, preventing fraying and damage. Every time a cell divides, which is constantly happening in your body, telomeres get shorter. It's a natural process, a consequence of cell replication. When they're too short, reaching a critical length, cells stop dividing or die. This process is known as cellular senescence or apoptosis, a programmed cell death. Short telomeres are linked to aging and disease. They're implicated in a range of age-related conditions, from cardiovascular disease to neurodegenerative disorders. They're like a biological clock ticking down, counting the number of cell divisions and signaling the eventual decline of cellular function. Enter telomerase, an enzyme that can rebuild telomeres, essentially reversing the shortening process. It's active in stem cells, which need to divide endlessly to replenish tissues, and unfortunately in cancer cells, allowing them to divide uncontrollably and form tumors. The big question, can we safely boost telomerase in normal cells to slow aging without increasing cancer risk? It's a delicate balance, a scientific tightrope walk. Scientists are exploring ways to activate telomerase just enough to protect healthy cells, extending their lifespan without triggering uncontrolled growth. If we crack this, we could delay cellular aging and keep tissues youthful for longer, maintaining their structure and function. Lifestyle matters here too. Chronic stress accelerates telomere shortening, so managing stress is crucial. Techniques like meditation and mindfulness can make a real difference. Antioxidant-rich foods, quality sleep, and regular exercise may help protect your telomeres, contributing to overall health and longevity. While telomerase therapies are still experimental, your daily habits can slow the clock, influencing the rate of telomere shortening. Imagine a future where we can reset our cellular timers and extend our health span, the period of life spent in good health. For now, focus on what you can control: stress less, eat well, and stay active. The science of telomeres is unlocking new ways to fight aging at its core, offering potential interventions to promote healthy aging. And as research advances, we may soon have tools to keep our DNA's aglet strong for life, protecting our genetic code and promoting longevity. Next, let's look at a surprising way to slow aging, by eating less, exploring the fascinating world of caloric restriction and its impact on lifespan. What if eating less could help you live longer? That's the idea behind caloric restriction. Animal studies show that cutting calories without malnutrition can extend lifespan and delay age-related diseases. The secret? Caloric restriction triggers cellular housekeeping and shifts the body into repair mode. It dials down growth pathways and ramps up stress resistance, making cells more resilient. But strict caloric restriction is tough for most people and can have downsides. That's why researchers are exploring caloric restriction mimetics, drugs that mimic the benefits without extreme dieting. Intermittent fasting is another promising approach, cycling between eating and fasting to activate similar pathways. The takeaway: mindful eating matters. Focus on nutrient-dense whole foods and listen to your body's hunger cues. You don't need to starve, just eat smarter and savor your meals. Small, sustainable changes can tap into the body's natural longevity mechanisms. The future may bring anti-aging drugs inspired by caloric restriction, but healthy eating habits are powerful tools you can use today. Next, let's see how gene editing could rewrite the rules of aging itself. Now let's talk about genetic engineering, editing the very blueprint of life. Tools like CRISPR-Cas9 let scientists cut and modify DNA with incredible precision. Imagine turning off genes that drive aging or boosting those that protect against disease. In lab animals, gene editing has extended lifespan and improved health in old age. The potential is huge, but so are the risks. Off-target effects and ethical concerns are real. Researchers are working to make gene editing safer and more precise. There's also gene therapy, adding healthy genes to cells to fix or prevent age-related problems. These technologies could one day treat the root causes of aging, not just the symptoms. For now, stay informed and skeptical. Breakthroughs take time and hype is everywhere. The future of aging may be written in our DNA, but responsible science and public debate are key. As these tools evolve, understanding their promise and limits will help us navigate the next era of medicine. Next, let's explore a powerful anti-aging tool you already have: your mind. Aging isn't just about biology, it's a multifaceted process. It's not simply about the ticking clock, but rather it's about the choices we make and the habits we cultivate throughout our lives. It's about how we actively use our minds, keeping them engaged and stimulated, and how we connect with others, fostering meaningful relationships. Your brain thrives on challenge and novelty. It's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Learning new skills, whether it's mastering a musical instrument or picking up a new language, solving puzzles that require critical thinking, and engaging in deep, thought-provoking conversations that stretch your intellectual boundaries, all contribute to building cognitive reserve. This mental buffer acts as a protective shield, helping your brain stay sharp and resilient, even as you age and face the inevitable changes that come with time. Social connections matter too. They are the threads that weave together a rich and fulfilling life. Loneliness and isolation can unfortunately speed up cognitive decline, creating a sense of disconnect and hindering mental agility. But strong, Supportive relationships act as a powerful antidote, protecting your brain and fostering a sense of well-being. Being part of a community, whether it's a local group or a wider network, through friends, family, those cherished bonds, clubs, or volunteering your time and energy for a cause you believe in, keeps your mind active, engaged, and your mood resilient, even in the face of challenges. The best activities are those that combine both mental and social engagement. Join a book club and delve into new worlds. Take a class to expand your knowledge, or volunteer for a cause you care deeply about, making a difference in the lives of others. Even small daily habits, those seemingly insignificant actions, like calling a friend to catch up or reading a new book to stimulate your mind, add up significantly over time, creating a positive ripple effect. The science is clear and compelling. Staying mentally and socially active is not just a suggestion, but a necessity, is one of the most effective and proven ways to slow down the process of cognitive aging. It's not about relying on futuristic tech or complex interventions. It's fundamentally about how you choose to live your life each and every day. So, nurture your mind with stimulating activities and cultivate your relationships with care and attention. They're powerful tools readily available for a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Now let's wrap up with what all this means for our future and how we can apply these insights to create a brighter tomorrow. We've explored 5 scientific frontiers that could transform aging, from clearing zombie cells to gene editing and beyond. The goal isn't just more years, but better years, extending our health span, not just our lifespan. While science races ahead, your daily choices, healthy eating, movement, stress management, and social connection, matter more than ever. The future of aging is bright, and you're already part of the journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like and subscribe for more Science Made Simple. Which breakthrough excites you most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Here's to a longer, healthier life.